Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to stop anyone adding you to a WhatsApp group. So we are going to block stranger from adding you to WhatsApp group. On top right, you see three dots. So click on it, and then you see multiple option. Now you see setting. So click on it. So we are in setting, and then you see privacy option. So click on it. So we are in privacy section, and then you see group everyone. So we are going to change group setting. So we are going to block anyone or any stranger to add you in WhatsApp group. So click on it. So we are in group setting, and then you see who can add me to groups. Now you see everyone, my contact accept. So you can select my contact, only known person add you in WhatsApp group. So you can select option according to requirement. So in this way you can stop anyone to adding you in a WhatsApp group. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.